This is a review on scale. So let's take a look at scale. Again, when you have something in actual life, like a 24-foot tower, and then you want to make a model of it, smaller tower, you want to keep it, you have a scale, and it basically says that 1 inch is equal to 24 feet, or you can see it as a fraction. I'm going to show you a problem here and work on it together, see if you can get a better understanding of this. Don't mind the crossed out area here. So let's say a room of a house is shown on a blueprint. Okay, so you have a room, a house is shown on the blueprint. Blueprint is going to be a smaller version of it. It tell you that 5 inches is equal to 8 feet. So that's your scale. This is called your scale here, scale factor. The wall in the blueprint shows you that it's 30 inches. Okay, so if it's 30 inches here, I want to know what that actually is as far as what does that actually equate to. So here's how we do this. I want to make sure that I set this equal to 30 inches. I'm going to put 30 inches on top because inches is here on top of my scale. Here's my unknown. I don't know what that is. And so I'm going to use cross multiplication to find out what this missing value is. I can go 5 times x, and I can go 8 times 30. And so I get 5x is equal to 240. If I divide both sides by 5, I can find out what that missing value is. So x is going to be equal to 48, I believe. And so that means it's 48 feet. This 30 inches is really 48 feet on the real drawing part. Okay? And so you can fill out this table as necessary. You can see, okay, the actual length, 48 feet, really meant that it was 30 inches right here. And you can almost see in this pattern that this is increasing by 5 as this increases by 8. So increase by 5, this would be 15, 20, 25, and 30. So is our number. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and 48. And that's just for this actual problem here. But I wanted to show you an example of how to figure out scale in this way here.